Hello guys, this is part 2 and I'm just going by putting all of these into the same time and you can speak! You can speak! Wait, what? Why is there a... Oh, no. Right. You do not want to speak? No, you do not want to speak? No, Steve does not want to speak, my friend. There's nothing else. I can just switch to... Hold up. Hold up. There's a plane user. I will play it today. Boom! And now we go to there. And I have done my business. I have done my work. I'm just going to do this. Okay, this is where the sometimes back. And when we get to Jeremy on the third part, then we're going to have to move to the dragon correct. And we have done it. Now, you know what's next? Okay, hold on. Okay. Fire. Hold on, wait, what? Wait. I got full body aura! Let's go! Full body aura. Now I take less damage and more attack damage. Let's go! And I might as well get the next ability. Don't take too long. Let's just go. Hold up, I need a speed. Okay, he does not want to interrupt me, so yeah. Even though he can speak. Yeah. Now next up we have to go over there to get the next fighting. Get the next fighting island. You know what's going on in chat. Nobody's saying anything. Nobody's saying anything. Nothing said nothing. Now, if you guys wonder, where am I going to get it in the first seat? Well, I will show you guys. You have to go into the underwater city. That's how you get it. Go over here. And if you see kind of shit, you don't walk like this, you walk over here. And then, water top feature. And I said, you know what, I'm just going to get it. And I just know what 17 master on this to get master ability. And the Sharkman karate is really good. And even the others now, let's just go to boss. Oh. Yeah, since like, oh my gosh, he's in his second floor already. Oh my gosh, man, he does so much damage and I'm lagging. Oh my gosh, he does so much damage. Like, look at my health. Boom, finally. Man, that was hell. Okay, that was literally hell. I wish I'm only going to do a one with Fox Moves next time. Bro, what the hell? Anyways. That was really hard. I don't even want to even say anything. Anyways, let's just, go here. I'll tell you guys why. Or we can just go to Jungle Pass and get up there. Like up there. Or I can just fly up there. No, I'm not going to be able to fly up there. It'll take too long. I'd rather just fly like this. And when I just look down into the earth, I'd be like, nope. I do not want to see the earth. I do not want to see the earth. Thank God. Thank God they removed it. Like, thank God. Because if they haven't removed it, I would have put... Hold up. Oh. Get out! Oh my God. Out. Whisper! Yeah, I'm cooked. I'm literally one of the towers. Kill this guy. Got it! Yeah, let me just kill this guy real quick. No, I'm not just... Bro's literally just going to open. Bro's literally just going to open. Yeah, bro's cooked. Bro's cooked. Bro's cooked. Bro's cooked. I am not cooked at all. There. Next up. Oh, this one okay. It's like the boss has to rumble. It's Thunder God. And that's the old Rumble. Even the older version of Rumble. Okay, we're not gonna be good. Anyways. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. Let's just like... You might be wondering also, where is Fountain City? Fountain City is literally behind Pirate Stardom. Yeah. My goal is to literally get Starboard, Race Me, 4. That's where the impossible. Yeah, guys. This time tutorial. Go. Like 5. Whoa! Okay. Then Tommy Twitch is moving to the second seat. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys in the last video. I'm gonna do that.